This lamp stopped working due to the fact that one LED burned out. When one LED burns, the rest also stop working. This can be easily fixed. How to determine a burnt-out LED? On the burnt LED is a black dot. You need to break off the top of the LED. Under it will be two contacts, plus and minus. If these contacts are closed, the lamp will work again. Remove part of the LED. Two contacts plus and minus can be seen. They need to be closed. There are two ways. The first way, crush the contact metal to close. The second way, solder tin. The first way, I close the contacts. Closed contacts. I install the lamp for checking. Excellent. The lamp works. Bada bing. The second way. Solder the contacts. Closed contacts. I'm installing a test lamp. Excellent. The lamp works. Bada bing. Dear friends, subscribe to my channel. There will be a lot of interesting things.